Let's have a go and see how we get on. So it says we've got the universal set, which are even numbers between 1 and 25. We got set A, which is 2, 8, 10, and 14. Set B is 6, 8, and 20. And set C is 8, 18, 20, and 22. And we need to create the Venn diagram for this information. So with this one, it's a bit trickier because there's actually an extra circle. So it's three-part Venn diagram. Remember, as I always say, if they give it to you as a description, you should always put in the numbers first. So it's going to be even numbers between 1 and 25. So we'll start with 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. So this is our set here. Now we're in a position to actually complete the Venn diagram. So set A, B, and C. What number appears in all three? So 8, 8, and 8, right? This will go in the overlap, wouldn't it? So that is going to go in the overlap for all three, which has to be this part here. It's an 8. And then now, are there any others that overlap as well? So I can see that we've got a 20 in B and a 20 in C. So that would have to go in the overlap for that part specifically, which is going to be over there. And then what else do we have? We have what else do we have? Any other overlaps? I think that's it, in terms of overlaps. Okay, so then now if we look at the set for A, we've got 10, 14, and a 2. That would have to go in the outer part of A. So 10, so 2, 10, and 14, like that. And then for B, 6 would have to go on the outer part like that, which is going to be over there. And then for set C, it's going to be an 18 and a 22, which will be on the outer part, which is going to be here. So 18 and 22. Does that make sense, guys? We happy with that? Yeah, all good? That makes sense? Yeah, good stuff. And then now, what was the question say? We need to complete the Venn diagram. So now, are we finished, guys? Is this correct? Is this complete? No, because we need to do the outside. So let's mark off all the numbers that we've used. So we've used 2, we've used 6, we've used 8, we've used 10, we've used 14, we've used 20, we've used 18, we've used 20, and we've used 22. And I think that's it, isn't it? 2, 8, 10, 14, 6, 8, 20, 8, 18, 20, 20. Perfect. So numbers that we haven't used are going to be these here. So that one, that one, that one, and that one. So it's going to be four numbers on the outside, 4, 12, 16, and 4, 12, 16, and 24. Perfect. That is the complete Venn diagram. Are we happy with that, guys? Yeah. So now part B, it says a number is chosen at random from the universal set. Find the probability that the number is a member of A and then this symbol B. Can somebody remember what that symbol means? The middle, when we say the middle, so this, huh? Yeah, exactly. Fantastic. Section of A and B. Fantastic. So this is the intersection of A and B. So therefore, let me just write and slash intersection. So there's only one number in there. So one out of how many numbers are there? Well, it's even numbers from 1 to 24. So from 1 to 25, so it's two, so there's going to be 12, but you can count anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is 12. So the answer is going to be 1 over 12. Does that make sense, guys? Anybody get all of that correct?